Want to get Microsoft Office 2024 fully installed? No cracks, no risky software, just a clean and simple method that actually works. So grab your PC and watch till the end. Before we start, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, you have to download some files. To download, open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tools. Then open this website. Scroll down and click Download. Now open a new tab and search for Office Customization Tools. Open this website. Select the version that matches your system, either 32-bit or 64-bit. In the Office Suite section, select Office Professional Plus 2024. If there are Office apps you don't need, turn them off to save internet. Choose English, United States, or your preferred language, then click Next for the remaining sections. Now keep clicking Next until you reach the Finish button. Then click Finish. Once finished, click Export. Now, accept license agreements, then click Export. It is downloaded successfully. Once the files are downloaded, navigate to your C drive. Create a new folder named Office 2024 and paste the downloaded files there. Now right-click the Office Deployment Tool file and select Run as Administrator. Tick the checkbox in the Setup window and click Continue. When prompted, select this PC Navigate to Local Disk C, open the Office 2024 folder and click OK to extract the files. Open Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and hit Enter. Then type this command and again hit Enter. The download process for Office 2024 will begin. This might take some time, so be patient. Now installation is completed successfully. Open Microsoft Word or any other Office app. As you can see, Microsoft Office 2024 is successfully installed and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.